Charlie!
Charlie bit me.
God, did you see that? Yeah. Oh my God, yes. Unbelievable.
Ouch! Charlie! That really hurt!
You're trying to drag him out.
Ouch!
I'm just gonna, go back to sleep now.
No!
How did it go?
Some people out there in our nation don't have maps.
Anyone else getting, covered in splinters? Seriously, guys, we shouldn't be on this thing.
Why do you think this is?
Nah, Don't put that in. Don't put it in your mouth. Okay?
Look at this. The crocodile's taking that baby away.
Oh, little thing.
Oh my God.
The two crocodiles.
They're gonna lose it.
Oh my God.
Oh, they're gonna fight over it.
Because I'm shaking.
Oh my God.
Why can't I touch it?
What do you know?
Kind of felt good, didn't it?
And it's still hurting.
Makes us happy living in a game.
Yeah, Candy Mountain, right.
Ed ecco, Daniele, come ti senti?
Ooh, they got him surrounded. Yeah, it's trying to get away. It's standing up.
Everywhere, such as, and I believe that they should, our education over here in the U.S. should help the U.S.
No, but he's stupid, he's young.
Please stop bouncing on me.